Hello everybody. I'm here to talk about 15 principles, strategies, and theories I believe are most important when approaching the teaching profession. So here are my guiding principles for teaching and learning. The guiding principles I have compiled fall into one of four categories: teaching strategies, planning strategies, motivation, and assessment and feedback. I believe there are 6 main teaching strategies that are instrumental to student success. First is problem-based learning, which entails providing students with a complex problem and allowing them a hands-on approach to attempt to find a solution. Social learning theory suggests that learning occurs through modeling, and as such, it is also important to demonstrate positive behavior and outcomes to students. Authentic learning uses the skills students have developed to create a tangible and functional product that aids in solving a problem in the real world. Self-directed learning gives students back control of their learning as they become responsible for the creation and production of a product. Game-based learning also puts learning into the students' hands through the use of video games, which students, let's face it, sometimes prefer over teachers explaining the same concept. Lastly, worked examples give students the solution to a problem and ask them to understand how that problem is solved, then apply the knowledge they have gained to another problem. Overall, these 6 teaching strategies are very hands-on for students and allowing them to participate in their learning instead of having a teacher impart knowledge onto them. There are also 5 planning strategies that are crucial to allow the aforementioned teaching strategies to be effective. The first planning strategy is backwards design. This model begins at the end with the determination of the desired result, and then moves to determining how it would be possible to assess whether or not the desired result has been met. Only then can learning experiences and instructional methods be developed. Elaboration theory aids teachers in structuring content in a sequenced and coherent order. This theory suggests that teachers should plan content from a simple or general point of view and gradually move to a more complex or specific point of view. In order to plan efficiently, teachers must keep in mind the cognitive load they are putting on their students. This refers to how much a student's working memory can handle during the course of instruction. In order to improve students' memory and make sure their knowledge sticks, students' memory must be trained. This is done by practicing retrieval of content, spacing out this content retrieval, working on different problems, elaborating, reflecting, calibrating, and using mnemonic devices. Teachers also plan for cognitive apprenticeships as they want to make sure that student learning is evident to all involved. Even with the teaching and planning strategies that go into the development of strong lessons, students' motivation is key to their success. As such, teachers must utilize several motivational methods to get their students actively engaged. The ARCS model improves the motivational appeal of the content being presented. Self-determination theory addresses students' universal, innate, and psychological needs, competency, autonomy, and psychological relatedness. Establishing a growth mindset in students is also a key component of effective learning. This is because if students do not believe in themselves, they will be unable to reach their full potential no matter how much others believe in them. If a student trusts that, though they have not yet achieved something, they will, the sky is the limit. Lastly, it is key to provide students with quality feedback. Formative feedback, which is done as an assessment for learning, allows both the teachers and students to gauge the student's understanding and work on areas where struggles are prevalent. This feedback should be provided in a prompt, positive manner, detailing aspects that require improvement. Summative assessment is assessment of the learning conducted at the end of a unit to determine the knowledge students have gained. These 4 aspects of teaching and learning are vital to the success of both students and teachers. Thank you.